Hey y'all, it's Nesha Antoinette. Welcome back to my channel. We are making Nesha's Fall Meatless Pumpkin Spice Lasagna. Starting with 1 tablespoon of Trader Joe's salt, tablespoon of garlic powder, using all dry ingredients first, tablespoon of oregano. Depends on the size, you can double the ingredients, so let's go ahead and use tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a tablespoon of Mrs. Dash. You can use more, it's totally up to you. Tabitha, tablespoon of each. I didn't mention, but I did use 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Tablespoon all-purpose seasoning. Teaspoon cayenne pepper. Pepper is totally up to you. When you mix it in this ingredients, you really don't taste it. There's something about smoked paprika in your lasagna. We have classic vodka tomato sauce. We also have Trader Joe's pumpkin pasta sauce and tomato paste. Red and orange peppers, fresh cilantro and basil, green peppers, white onions, all wet and dry ingredients in 1 pot. A dash or 2 of black pepper. Cook time on the stove is about 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure you keep stirring it on medium high. Do not burn your sauce. I used 2 boxes of Barilla oven ready lasagna. I purchased these deep pans from Walmart. Absolutely no oil necessary. Saucing the pan is definitely first for me. First layer of lasagna noodles. You can do it vertical or diagonal. Next, after the noodles, we have ricotta cheese and cottage cheese. We use sharp cheese on this. Trader Joe's chopped spinach, noodles, ricotta, cottage cheese, and spinach. Make sure you season your spinach because it did come frozen from Trader Joe's. Starting the second layer of sauce first. Make sure you cover it just like this. Be very gentle. You don't need much. Y'all know I don't eat like this, but this meal is I'm hungry and I'm not going to deprive myself. Your sauce should be just perfect, not runny, just perfect. So let's go ahead and layer the cheese. I didn't have too much cheese hanging around in my house, so I had to break my cheese up, which at the end of the day, it turned out just perfect. So I bought 4 of these lasagna oven ready, but I only used 2, and the pan that I used came from Walmart and it's called Support Bottom. Yeah, that's from Walmart. So this lasagna is almost done. Let's go ahead and preheat the oven for 350 degrees. We're gonna let this lasagna stay in for about 20 to 25 minutes. I want it cooked throughout the entire pan. You don't wanna overcook your noodles. Voila, we are done. At least 20 to 25 minutes, totally up to you. It depends on what size lasagna pan that you are using. Well, we're all done. After it's done baking, go ahead and sprinkle some more Italian seasoning and oregano seasoning on top with my own taste and my own twist. It's perfect for the fall, it's perfect for the winter. All that's missing is some delicious garlic Texas bread. What? Cozy fall vibes. It's so nice to start fall out like this, making a delicious spinach pumpkin lasagna with no meat. I am loving the fall. Do you guys see this? It's not burnt. It's cooked just right. That's just the cheese that I use. It's all sharp cheese. The aesthetics is nice. It's pleasing and it cut very, very nice. It's not loose. The sauce is not loose. It's just perfect. No oil, no butter, just perfect. Take a look at it. These noodles cook fast, so don't leave them in too long. Let's try this out. Let's see how good it is. Nesha's Fall Meatless Pumpkin Spice Lasagna. Let's say our grace. Amen. Camera first. Okay. I should have made more than this because I did give my parents some and my daughter. Delicious. Y'all. Is there ever a healthier lasagna? Maybe. But in this case, just eat it and enjoy. With any healthier way of living diet, if you're looking at the saturated fat, in this case, you can just hang it up. Absolutely delicious lasagna. And thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time, toodaloo.